This is my seafood boil. I am boiling my sausages and my potatoes right now, and they are looking good. So I have cut up turkey sausages with my potatoes, and then I'm gonna start with making my shrimp, which I have pouring the shrimps over these potatoes and sausages, and this will be looking really delicious, and I will show you how it looks. Yeah, so I'm cleaning my shrimp right now. So these are the jumbo shrimps. I'm cleaning them with the lemon. Once I clean them and de-shell them, then I'm gonna place them in a pan along with the sausages and start creating my sauce. I already put my seasoned salt, my garlic powder in there. So now I'm gonna put some of this inside of there, which is my Old Bay seasoning. I'm gonna sprinkle some of that inside of there, okay? And then I'm gonna put some oregano seasoning on these shrimps. Oops, I put too much. Paste garlic inside of the shrimps, and then I'm just gonna stir them around, okay? And you know, just let the season just marinate on them, and then I'm gonna stir it around. Shrimps are now mixed and the seasoning is soaked inside of it. So now we're gonna get ready for the seafood boil, making the sauce. Shrimps now, look at that. These shrimps are looking so good. This is to go over the potatoes, and it's gonna be looking really delicious. Okay, look at that. That looks really good. This is my shrimp boil. This is looking really good right now.